Welcome back to my channel. Today's article is titled SpaceX Gets Conditional Approval for Direct Smartphone Services. This one is by spacenews.com, posted on November 26th of 2024. The Federal Communications Commission granted SpaceX conditional approval November 26th to use Starlink broadband satellites to keep T-Mobile smartphone users connected in cellular dead zones across the United States. SpaceX has permission to use T-Mobile's cellular frequencies on up to 7,500 Gen 2 Starlink satellites to provide supplemental coverage from space, provided it does not interfere with other networks. The regulator said it is also continuing to defer considering to give SpaceX permission for the remaining 22,488 satellites. That concludes this article, and thank you for joining me today.